Our goal is simple. We want every child to feel seen, known, and loved. Through Bible stories, hands-on activities, and meaningful conversations, we help kids understand who God is and how much He loves them.
One of the best parts of Kids Church is the community. Kids build friendships, find role models, and learn that church is a place where they belong. It becomes more than a Sunday. It becomes family.
Faith should be exciting. At Kids Church, we create an environment where learning about Jesus is fun, engaging, and something kids actually look forward to every single week. From worship to games to lessons, they're learning while they're having fun.